Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. It's been some time I didn't work on my napkin journal. This is my napkin journal. It's a traveler's notebook in standard size. I will show you quickly. These are all napkins, the animals, these leaves. I designed them in a way that you don't see they are napkins, but actually this balloon is also a napkin. I'm using this traveler's journal. This insert is from Davenport. It's a watercolor insert, I bought this cover from Etsy. So I sort of created my own journal, combining a few pieces that I like. These inserts are really heavy paper, and I'm going to use this beautiful napkin today. I buy my napkins from eBay. If you write decoupage napkins, decoupage paper napkins, you will find that there are sellers who sell 4 napkins, so you don't need to buy a full pack with very cheap prices. Here in UK there are 4 for £1, which is a really good price, that you have nice images, and 4 you can use many times. So I got this napkin like that, I love these flowers. It's a delicate image, so I'm guessing it will be a subtle pinky with pink tones. It will be a page like that. I'm going to stick my images on opposite corners. I really like placing my images like this. It draws the eye to the center, and it creates some nice organization, I am using my matte medium from Liquitex to stick my napkins, and I cut the excess from the corners. I wanted to show you Silk's acrylic glaze today. Maybe you haven't used them before. They have different colors in very small jars or these tubes, there are bigger jars as well, but to have many colors I chose to have the little jars in packs of 6. I'm going to show you how they are. These are acrylic paints, but they are super transparent. That's why they are called glaze. So you can mix them, build them, but you will see the background at the back because it's quite transparent. So it's a different type of acrylic paint for different purposes. I'll just show you some colors for you to see how it looks. And I have this beautiful key lime color, and they are also shimmery, by the way, so they all shine. Maybe I can catch the light for you quickly. Here, I'm not sure if it's so visible, but they have a nice shimmer to them. So I started painting, but I wasn't happy with any of these colors, so you will see in a moment I will make a change of plan. Best thing, if you don't want the color anymore, is to cover it with gesso. So I decided to use my white gesso also to blend the napkin to the page a little bit. So I'll cover all this color, and also it's good that I have a base for an acrylic paint now. So I'll go for more a matte look, and I took a paper artsy Pixie dust color. It's between a pink and little bit lavender, mostly pink, so I decided to use this color instead. I will also use my wet baby wipe to blend the color a little bit in a moment. As you see, I'm going over the napkin images a little bit as well, because this way they really blend into the page and you don't see if there's a napkin or not. And I'm using another dark color, Bougainvillea, to go around the edges to put a frame, and again draw the eye towards inside of the page. do some stenciling. I have this stencil with all the different size of dots. I think it came with a magazine, craft magazine, so I won't have a link for you, unfortunately. But there are a lot of stencils around with dots, so you can easily find. I'm using Liquitex light modeling paste. This is my favorite paste. I tried a lot, believe me, and I settled with this, I think, because it has a good height when I use through stencils. It can dry with a heat gun for quick drying. It doesn't bubble, and I really like it. It's crisp white, so this is what I use. I'm using this key lime from my Silk acrylic glaze to paint some of these dots with this green color, just to have a little bit unity on the page, because you see the ends of the flowers are this lime green, so I'm trying to have other same lime green color on the page. I'm using my Bougainvillea jewels to also stick on the flowers, which gives some interest to the page and some shimmer, nice shine. And also again, to have the same colors all around, I'm giving a little bit of this key lime color here and there with my brush. For my splashes, I'm going to use the dark pink Bougainvillea color. I watered it down, and I'm going to splash a little bit. One of you always writes me which splashes am I going to use. She's curious about, so whenever I do it now, I'm thinking of one of the crafty friends who writes me comments. I'm hoping she will watch this. And finally, I used the sentiment that I got from Daphne's Diary magazine. It's a happiness note. It was one of the issues from Daphne's diary, and because the happiness note is written in pink, I thought it goes with the look and feel of the page. And it says, if you look carefully, you'll see something beautiful every day. It's such a bright sentiment. And the page is finished. I hope you enjoyed it. You will find the links for the supplies I used down below at the description area. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.